That ain't that girl. That ain't that girl. That ain't that girl. Not that girl. That ain't me.
Now everybody sing that shit.
I forgot to say my intro, so it's your girl Tay Pancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. I'm so sorry. Why do I keep forgetting my intro? I forgot it last video too. What the freak is going on? Not last video, the video before that. Y'all know. Y'all get it. Excuse the hot mess. Your girl's on her way to get laid and slayed. Let's follow the road first. I'm on my way to get laid and slayed. I booked an appointment to get these bundles put in. So I am going to get my first sew-in in years. And from the pictures of this girl's Instagram, it's done by Didi. She ready to slay me. She ready to slay me. She gonna slay my life. I need it. I'm a link who provided me with these beautiful 28-inch bundles for this sewing today. A 20-inch closure, 22, 24, 26, and 28-inch bundles. I'm gonna let y'all, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I get there because I'm running a little late, so yeah.
Okay, so let's get into this motherfucking voiceover, sis. We here. Okay, anyway, sorry, I got excited. So these are the bundles, the 4 bundles, the 28, the 26, the 24, and the 22. And then there's the closure. She's 20 inches long as well. So I'm about to get the hair put in. I just wanted to show y'all what the packaging look like. So, you know, after... Hurry up, girl. God dang, why take that much footage? So at this point, y'all are watching me get my hair blow dry for the first time. Really like that since I've been natural. Like, y'all know that, like, look at them inches, y'all. Like, I was so excited to see my hair something other than like slightly stretched, like, but yeah. So she blow drying my hair. She blessed me with that because y'all know I don't really be knowing how to do stuff, and blow drying is one of them. It's one of them. Yeah. So yeah, she did that. We running our mouths. That's why our mouth moving like it. Like, y'all didn't know how voiceover works, but I'm gonna just let y'all know who's running our mouth. But yeah, she was very gentle with how she blew dried. The way she blow dried my hair, it was gentle. My ends could use a little trimming, but you know, I do that next time. But yes, giving me Frederick Douglass vibes. Yes, Frederick on the runway. Frederick Douglass? Hello. Who? Frederick who? Anyway, moving on. So this is my least favorite part. The dryer. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I was gonna go dun dun dun, but I decided to remix it, so that was that. I don't know what's going on with this voiceover at this point, but yeah, I'm sitting under the air dryer, the blow dryer, trying to get my life together. I'm eating chips. I had a nerve to eat spicy chips under this hot dryer. Like, I really don't be thinking, you know. Anyway, so that's what this is going on. She had already laid the closure, and now like the foam and stuff gotta dry and everything she did for the edges because they was laid, so she had to get the edges right. So here we are unraveling the hair. So initially out of the pack, stay tuned for the rest of the review, but initially out of the pack, the hair was very soft, you know what I'm saying? It didn't have a weird odor. It just smelled like hair, you know what I'm saying? Like real smooth sailing. Fast forward, we're putting the rest of the bundles in. She said she did not have any problem with the wefts. Like, it was, you know, pretty regular to sew in. And, you know, everything looked peaches and cream. Everything smooth, you know what I'm saying? Hair was getting in quick, you know. She do what it do. God bless her heart, because I don't be knowing how to do this. But, yeah, it was looking popping. And, yeah. So here we are. I decided I wanted to get it crimped because I didn't really like how the natural wave looked. Now, honey, when she put this crimper and this flat iron on the hair, honey, it was a smell. It smelled of burnt baby doll hair. The hair started to smell very bad. Like, it was a really, really strong odor, and it was slightly sticking to the crimper. I am so sorry, Didi, to your crimper girl, but overall, she slayed it. Like, the hair was freaking slayed, but the hair just didn't really cooperate the same way. But y'all will see more in a little minute, so just enjoy these last few moments real quick.
So y'all, I'm gonna give this hair an honest review. The company asked me for an unbiased, honest review on the hair. First, let me give you a review on the sew-in. Bomb. Hold that. Alright, so the girl that did it, I found her on Instagram. Her name is Done by Didi. First of all, she slayed my hair. Like, slayed it. She slayed it. Like I said before, this is a closure, a 20-inch closure in 4 bundles of 22, 24, 26, and 28. So initially out the package, like I showed y'all while I was getting it done, soft, you know what I'm saying? There wasn't any shedding when I ran my fingers through it. And honestly, that's never like the best way to review hair. Like, I usually review wigs. I've never really reviewed bundles. This is my first time reviewing bundles. Running my fingers through it initially, it was good, you know what I'm saying? Soft, but most hair is when you get out the pack. After that, she bleached the knots of the closure. The knots bleached very well. Gotta give it that. The knots bleached very, very well. She even told me, she was like, the knots bleached very well. She plucked it, boom, 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 bada, bada, bang. Sewed it on my hair, boom, 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 boom. She sewed it in a bundle. She said the wefts were good, like, no trouble sewing in a bundle. She doubled them up at the bottom and then spread them up at the top. So then I was trying to decide whether I wanted to wear body wave, which this is not as natural body wave. This is crimped, as y'all saw in the video, obviously. This is crimped. So typically with the crimp, it's like a whoosh. This is more like a, it's usually like a whoosh. It's like a, so the reason why it's like a, it's not her fault. The reason it's a, because I've seen her do crimps on people. The initial smell of this hair out the package smelled like hair. Like when the flat iron got on it, it smelled like it burned. The hair is starting to, like the curls are starting to drop very, very fast. She used product to hold the hair. So she used the wax at the root, you know, to keep it down. And then she used the Got to Be Glued. Like, you know, y'all know the Got to Be Glued spray. She used that in the hair. That's usually what a lot of stylists will use as to crimp the hair and to make it go swoosh, to go swoosh. But this one went swoosh. The smell was very strong. Like when I say very, very strong, and I could tell she wanted to say something. So I was like, let me say it for you, sis. You smell that? Girl, you smell that? She was like, I smell that. I'm like, you smell that. The hair has a smell. And the hair is decent price. Like if you go on the link in my description, you'll see, like it's AliExpress hair. When you go on AliExpress, you get the deals. You get the deals. So this hair is not expensive at all. So there's that. So yeah, it looks good now though. I really don't know how it will look in a few days, and I can give y'all an update if y'all would like. The curls, it doesn't hold a wave obviously, like. And also I do have to say, I'm gonna be honest, like when she was crimping my hair, now I will say she was crimping my hair on high heat. She was crimping it on 460 or something like that, but she says she does that to all clients' hair. Like she does, she specializes in doing weaves and stuff, and she was like, that's how she crimps the hair because it gives it a better whoosh. And this is a whoosh. So I was trying to get the whoosh, girl, the whoosh. I was trying to get the whoosh. I was trying to be like, ooh, girl, waves. Like, ooh, cowabunga, sis. I'm getting the waves. Like, that kind of crimp. This is like, oh, wow, a smooth. Do y'all feel that? Those waves? Like, this is a nice calm tide. Like, that's what this is. It's like calm tide. Calm tide. Calm tide. So, dang, this hair is so long, I can't even get it all in frame. But yes, this is the longest I've ever gotten hair. Thing is, though, it doesn't smell right now. Yeah, like my biggest fear was that I was gonna walk around smelling like that, but it does not smell now. But there was melted hair on the crimper. The positives about this hair: the closure bleached well. The initial pull out of the packaging, no smell. After you flat iron it, it's no smell. During the flat iron process, there's a smell. It's such a high demand for hair. It's really no way everybody out here with virgin hair. It's just don't seem realistic. Yeah, I will leave the information for this hair in the description. It moves. It got a lot of movement. From the company, I got brown lace, and I obviously didn't need that, so that was my mistake. I should have asked for transparent. For it being brown lace, she laid it very, very, very well. Like, Didi girl, you did that. Didi did that. Done by Didi did that. Yeah, that's just an honest review, y'all. Like, I don't know if this hair is good for longevity, but it definitely is good for in the moment. There wasn't any initial shedding. It's not that I think, I know, because I saw it on the flat iron. Like, we was on the flat iron, like, sis, you see that? Like, I even took footage of it. It was like sticking, like as it was going down, it was sticking to her poor crimper, and I apologize for that. I do. Diddy, I do. I apologize. I do. But I just can't get over how good this sewing look. Hopefully the hair lasts a long time. So y'all know I'm gonna give y'all honest reviews. I'm not one of them YouTubers that's ready to be like, yes girl, cause this was 100% no problems. Even in wig videos, I'll tell y'all if it's a little bit of shedding or if it's like a smell or something. I'm honest. I try to stay honest with y'all. But yeah, that's my experience. But I look like a bad, hold up. I look good. That's all I got to say. I look good. Like, if we was only going off of what I look like, looks, girl, bomb. That's on period. Like, I can't even get all the hair in there. Like, hold up now. That's the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and yes, for my first sewing in a minute, I'm in love. Trying to keep my balance on this chair, but I'm in love. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? That ain't that girl. That ain't that girl. That ain't that girl. Not that girl. That ain't me. This is me now. Forget about that girl. This is me right now. Me. All me. You don't gotta worry about what's under here, baby. Just worry about what you see now. You feel me? You feel me? Because what you see now, baby, is what you're going to get. And what you're going to get is lit. And that's on period. Bit. Mwah.
It's hard when you don't get the time to do the things you gotta do.